Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the August Magical Monthly Mystery Kit, no longer subscription, and as you can see here, it is very Hocus Pocus themed. I thought this was cute. Perfect like theme because the planner sale that I belong to, the Planners Collaborative, is having a convention in September in Salem. It is very Salem witch themed, and I thought that this would be a perfect kit for the month of September. So this is your August mystery reveal, and as you can see here is your dashboard, and this is all exclusive art. I had this hand drawn by my fantastic, beautiful artist. She is the best thing that has ever come into my life. I absolutely love her. Let me back out just a little bit so you're not like right on top of the screen. Hopefully that's a little bit better. There. So anyway, and I'm also using a different camera, so hopefully the picture is going to be better as far as like the quality of the color, because I know the other one is pretty cool toned, so hopefully this will bring out a lot more of the warm colors and you can see it better. But this is your dashboard. It's got "Don't get your knickers in a twist. We're just three kindly old spinster ladies." You know who said that. Then you've got the sisters here, Winifred. You've got the boyfriend in the back, the zombie, which I absolutely love, and then the Sanderson house in the back. So this is your dashboard, and then we'll get into, I'll put this off to the side and we'll get into the kit itself. So here's all of your main boxes, and I can tell just by looking at the colors on my camera are very good. Very, very good for what's going on here. So we've got the cemetery scene in the back with the Sanderson sisters in the top. You've got the book and the candle, a little trick-or-treat thing for when they go out trick-or-treating. You've got the cat, the little Sanderson sister. Here's the house. Boyfriend and girlfriend right there. You've got the pot where they brew the potions. You've got oil of boil and witch's potion. So you've got a couple potions there, and that is your, this is a double box. So this is your 8 full boxes. Then you've got him all by himself in his own little box right there. All of your washies and your date covers. This is your next page with your date dots and some of the pattern boxes and the color boxes. And here's your colorway down here at the bottom. Then you got your to-dos, today's, don't forget's importance. All this stuff that you probably don't need me to go over. You know what all this stuff is. Here are all your pattern boxes. Here's all your color boxes. Then these are your monthlies. So here's this one, all your little extras. There's a back to school one on there. Then you've got your months. So you don't have to use it. You can save this one for October if you wanted to, but I do have one coming out for October as well. That is very October. Then this is your sidebar here with the spooky tree in the back. Then you've got a full picture of the cemetery. Sorry, couldn't think of it. Cemetery here. Then you've got the Sanderson sister house here, some extra full boxes, and then we're on to the small ones. I'll leave the foil until we get through all the small stuff. So as always, you get your doodle boxes. Oops. You get your extra days of the week. You got your little things and your labels, your glitter, your paint swatches, and your check boxes. So that is everything in the kit. So you can get the kit by itself, which comes with that right there, or you can get the kit with foil, which comes with this. So this is your foil this month, and this is in the purple hollow. Very Sanderson sistery. And you've got I Smell Children, Oh Look Another Glorious Morning Makes Me Sick. You got the Sanderson sister, Home of the Black Flame Candle, Witch Museum right there, which we are going to the Witch Museum in Salem when we're there on convention. All of your date covers and your box overlays. Washi. I love this little cemetery scene with the hands coming up out of it. Overlay. More overlay boxes. Then you've got your underlays or your bougie boxes, more bougie boxes, and then your all of your icons, your date covers, some scripts, and another whole set of dividers. So there is the foil. So you can get either kit by itself or the kit with foil. I will be doing a plan with me using this kit here in just a few minutes. It'll probably go up right after this video goes up. I am videoing this a little bit early because we're going to be gone for part of July. So I will have it up later in the month, but I'm filming it very early in the month. So I still need to do the plan with me, but you will find it pretty close to when this video goes up. So anyways, have a fantastic day. And don't forget that this one will go live on August 1st and it will go back in the vault on August 10th. So if you're looking for this one, you're going to find it in the Etsy shop August 1st to August 10th. Anyway, that's it. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you soon with the plan with me. Bye.